नमस्कार पळय प्रुडंट खबरो. चर्च म्हणटा तांच्या संस्थांनी केला तातूंत कांयच चूक ना. सत्ताधारी म्हणटात चर्चीन केला तें धर्मसंस्थेच्या तत्वांत बसना. प्रुडंटाच्या डिबेटीत खडाजंगी. रेरा कायद्यांतल्यो त्रुटी सुधारच्यो. बिल्डरांक टायम बाउंड सर्व्हिसेची सक्ती. सरकारी ऑफिसरांकय सक्ती कित्याक ना? बिल्डरांचो प्रश्न. रेरा कागदार बिल्डर अध्यात ना मध्यात. पॅन आधार लिंक करपाची मुजत 31 डिसेंबर मेरेन वाडयली. आधार लिंक नसल्यार आयटी रिटर्न रिजेक्ट. 5,000ची फायन. खासा रिपोर्ट. दक्षिण गोयचे जिल्लो मॅजिस्ट्रेटान उसगांवां मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साच्या 1 किलोमीटर आवाठांत लायली जमावबंदी. फुडले 6 दीस 144 कलम लागू. शेनवारा 2 सप्टेंबराक बकरी ईद. केरी 70च्यो टुरिझम कॉटेजी ड्रग एडिक्ट बेबदे तवनासाचे अड्डे. वाडला बुट्ट ना दमडेची येणावळ. सरकार लक्ष घालूंक सोदिना. टुरिझमाच्या नांवान कोटी उदकांत. खासा रिपोर्ट. आणि ISL 10 टीमी. चडशा देशी फुटबॉलरांक संद म्हणटा FC गोवाचो कोच डेरिक पेरेरा. रिलायन्स फाउंडेशन यूथ स्पोर्ट्साची आंबेली नॅशनल फुटबॉल सर्त. चर्च म्हणटा तांच्या संस्थेच्या मॅगझिनात लेख छापलो आनी क्रॉस मोडतोड प्रकरणाचेर फॅक्ट फायंडिंग कमिटीन शिफारशी दिल्यो जाल्यार चुकलें कितें? लेखांतले मुद्दे कम्युनल वा पोलरायझिंग नात. देशभर कितल्याशाच जाणांनी व्यक्त केल्ल्यो त्यो भावना. तेच बरोबर फॅक्ट फायंडिंग कमिटीन आपल्या तपासांत दिसलां तें सांगलां. कसलीच बेकायदेशीर गजाल केल्ली ना अशी भुमिका चर्चीन घेतल्या. सत्ताधारी पक्ष म्हणटात चर्चीन आपले मॅगझीन एक तर राजकीय म्हूण घोशीत करचें वा असलो मजकूर छापप टाळचें.
That in Maharashtra we have Shiv Sena who has a mouthpiece of Samna and they write anything. So henceforth, is this Renawasa going to be the mouthpiece to speak on political languages and creating a panic situation when there is nothing existing in Goa? Which religious institution is democracy? I would like to know. And when you don't have democracy in your own issue, you talk about giving lectures to people and creating an alarming situation and says, and the argument says that you do not polarize the minority. Who says so? Are the Muslims not doing certain things to polarize though they are the minority? Polarization takes place everywhere. That effect that will take place reverse is also true. But when you sometimes get blinded in your own ego, you don't see that what is happening.
In 2014 and in 2017, the advisories issued by Council for Social Justice and Peace on behalf of the church speak about the threat to democracy, the constitutional threats.
Yeah. Those advisories are quite clear.
Again, F.E. Noronha has spelled out. And in fact, the advisories are prophetic. Many Catholics are saying what you all had told has come true. Social justice, these issues are all of social justice.
Correct.
People's rights are issues of social justice.
Correct.
The church does not see social justice as alien from spirituality and religion. The same BJP in 2012, 2017, 2014, when press was asking him, the church has given advisory on this, it does not impact the voting. Suddenly, this article of Renawasa has impacted the voting. Secondly, if the church raises issues of social injustice, okay, it becomes polarizing.
The BJP and the ruling side feels the timing is too accurate to be coincidental.
It is not only timing, it is also the article on the magazine.
The problem is
content is not the issue.
Let him finish.
The problem is of BJP is that it is polarizing. The main accusation, not the timing. That is doing. My issue is
polarizing during election.
The content.
My issue is
whether that content could come.
How is the content polarizing? The content affects Hindus, Muslims, people across the board. Parsis, everyone.
There are two lawyers. Is the man already framed? Is number one point. I am just raising one. He is not yet framed. Okay? Investigation is still going on. Everything is not thrown open in every investigation. We do not know how they are playing it. Number one. there was a big doubt. Could this man, in my mind, could climb up that wall? He climbed up better than a monkey. Showed it on TV. Number 2. Number 3, my question is, the same fact-finding team had met the police. They gave them some explanation. Now you got your report. Why did you not go back to the police and tell them, oh, you told us this. This is our findings. What do you have to say? Then come to the press. But the way you have come 3 days before the election, how can this thing be coincidental?
It looks like the only issue is 3 days before.
See, one thing
Definitely
is,
That is the issue. That is the issue raised by the BJP.
That's what the whole thing is.
Time let Soterbabu
Pramod, this is typical BJP. This you avoid the contents of everything, go on to small technicalities of timing,
The whole
the
issue
phase,
was the elections.
this thing. Okay.
Others, we would also not be
The
bothered.
problem is,
Yeah.
is CSJP and this the SSS, CSSS, whatever is unconstitutional in this thing. If Mr. Nilesh Kabral's press this thing is
Yes.
to be taken, the comments he has made proves the fascism when he says what authority this committee has got to invest. So a citizen like you and me cannot investigate.
रेरा कायद्यांतल्यो त्रुटी सरकारान सुदारच्यो म्हूण बिल्डर मागतात. रेरा कायद्या प्रमाण बिल्डरांक टायम बाउंड सर्विसेची सक्ती आसा. सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांकय तशीच सक्ती आसची. वेळ काडिनासतना बिल्डरांच्यो फायली क्लियर करच्यो म्हूण बिल्डर मागतात. कितल्याशाच राज्यांनी बिल्डरांच्या संघटनांनी रेरा हायकोर्टाक चॅलेंज दिल्या. मात गोंयचे बिल्डर म्हणटात सरकार स्वता गजाली जाग्यार घालता आसत जाल्यार पिटिशनाची गरज ना.
रेरा कायद्या प्रमाण गोंय सरकारान ऑथॉरिटी नेमल्या खरी, मात कायद्याचे नेम अधिसूचित नाशिल्ल्यान बिल्डरांचे रजिस्ट्रेशनूच फुडें धुकलं ना. कायदो चालीक लागता म्हळ्यार अजून कितलो तेंप लागता कांयच धड ना. रेराचेर चर्चा करूंक GCCIत एक कार्यावळ जाली. वांटेकार जावंक बिल्डर, इंजिनियर, आर्किटेक्ट आशिल्ले.
See, first of all, we at CREDAI and at the housing industry level, we welcome RERA. But there may be points wherein people feel that we may not be given justice. Then people, someone from the states, they have approached the High Court. But in Goa, I don't think it will be, there be requirement of going to the legal aspect. Because we are hopeful that whatever is beneficial for Goa atmosphere as far as the housing industry is concerned, RERA at Goa and Goa government is going to address.
फकत बिल्डरांकूच टायम बाउंड सर्विसीची सक्ती कित्याक? सरकारी खात्यांकूय बिल्डरांची परमिशनां टायम बाउंड दिवपाची सक्ती आसूंक जाय.
All this exercise is time bound, and time becoming the essence of the entire agreement related exercise. Ultimately, that whole exercise depends on town planning, municipalities, panchayats, and hell of a lot of other authorities which come into play to bring a time bound performance deliverable to the end user, that's the client, the consumer, the allottee of an apartment or a plot or a building as seen in the end. Nothing is mentioned.
Every time there is a problem about the safety, and there was this accident, there was so much fear about everywhere. They were saying, oh, there was building collapse, and so like nobody wanted to give any permissions, nobody wanted to look at the thing, oh, we are responsible for this. So I think there needs to be perhaps the certification of the safety of the building also may be a point to be considered.
मात कायद्यांत बिल्डरांचे नजरेन कांय बऱ्यो गजाली आसात.
I think Goa is catching up us later. Many states have gone much ahead in implementation of RERA. I think already the catharsis has taken place there, wherein fly-by-night operators have closed down. Okay, organized peoples, definitely I would go with Dr. Desh saying that people who are already organized, there is no problem. Only it will help them organize better. This is the way in which I look at it. It will filter out quality of professionals and delivery in this entire project.
फ्लॅट घेतली गिरायकां बिल्डरांकडच्यान फटवची न्ही म्हूण मोदी सरकारान रेरा कायदो लागू केला खरो, मात गोंयांत तरी हो कायदो सध्या अध्यात ना मध्यात. बिल्डरूय हुमकळ्ळो. प्रुडंटा खातीर सुभाष खुटवळकार.
पॅन कार्ड आधार कार्डाक लिंक करपाक 31 डिसेंबर मेरेन प्राज वाडोवन दिला. एखाद्यान पॅन कार्ड आधाराक लिंक केल्लें नासत जाल्यार फायल केल्लें इन्कम टॅक्स रिटर्न न फायल केल्ल्यात जमा. वेल्यान रिटर्न फायल करूंक ना म्हूण 5,000 रुपया फायन आनी इन्कम टॅक्साची नोटीस. ते शिवाय लुकसाणी क्लेम करपाकय फुडें मार्ग ना. पॅन आधार लिंकाचेर खासा रिपोर्ट.
आधार कार्ड पॅन कार्डाक लिंक केल्लें नासल्यार इन्कम टॅक्स फायलिंग पोर्टलाचेर वचून पॅन आनी आधार सहज लिंक करूं येता. वेबसायटीचेर लिंक आधार म्हूण दाव्यान लिंक आसता. थंय वचून पॅन नंबर, आधार नंबर आनी आधार कार्डा प्रमाण नांव भरपाचें. पॅन आनी आधार कार्डा वेल्या नांवांत तफावत नासल्यार पॅन आधाराक थेट लिंक जातलें. तफावत आसल्यार OTP येता तो फीड करून सेव म्हणचें पडटा. SMS वरवीं पॅन आनी आधार लिंक करूं येता. पॅन आनी आधार लिंक नासल्यार पेनल्टी कितें ती पळयात. पॅन आधाराक लिंक केल्लें नासल्यार फायल केल्ले इन्कम टॅक्स रिटर्न्स प्रोसेस जायना. फायल केल्ले इन्कम टॅक्स रिटर्न न फायल केल्ल्यात जमा. वेल्यान रिटर्न फायल करूंक ना म्हूण 5,000 रुपया फायन. ITR फायल करूंक ना म्हूण इन्कम टॅक्साची नोटीस. ते शिवाय लुकसाणी क्लेम करपाकूय फुडें मार्ग ना.
आधार पॅन लिंक करूंक 31 ऑगस्ट मेरेन आशिल्लो प्राझ सांजे सरकारान 31 डिसेंबर मेरेन वाडयला. अजून 4 म्हयन्याचो प्राझ आसा. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
घेऊ एक ब्रेक.